Had a gentleman came about a month ago, and he was from Rochester, New York, and buying a Volkswagen Jetta. And I asked him, I said, you came all this way to, a 10-hour drive to buy this vehicle. I said, you know how many Jettas you passed between here and New York? And he said, a lot. He said, but your only dealership between here and there is that warranty forever, and that's why my girlfriend and I drove all the way to buy that car. And that separated us from the competition between here and there. So that's been a definite competitive advantage from that standpoint. The warranty forever itself is what's separating us, our product, from our competition.
It also, gets the customer engaged for, a warranty in my office, because they already like the powertrain warranty. Well, why not protect the car in the, as far as a bumper to bumper in the future?
The warranty forever has exceeded my own expectations. I've been in the automotive business for 30 years, and this is my first time being with an automotive group that has offered a warranty forever. So being able to talk to my customers, knowing that no matter what they have, that engine, transmission, and drive axles will cover as long as they own the car, that makes for a real easy conversation in the business office.